What's the meaning of cardiology? Cardiology. Cardiology.
Cardiology. Cardiology. Cardiology is a medical specialty that deals with the diagnosis and treatment of diseases related to the heart and blood vessels. The word cardio refers to the heart, while logi means the study of. Cardiologists are trained healthcare professionals who specialize in treating patients with heart-related issues such as heart attacks, heart disease, and arrhythmias. They use a variety of techniques and tools, including diagnostic imaging, medication, and surgical procedures, to help manage and treat these conditions. Overall, cardiology is an essential field of medicine that helps to keep our hearts healthy and functioning properly.